Hello, hello. So, day 14, the final day of the 2 week celebration for New Year's, or the spring celebrations. So, 13 days ago was Chinese New Year. We are on day 14. This would be the Lantern Festival. So, that's probably is quite a well known, popularized thing nowadays of the Chinese lanterns or the paper lanterns being let off into the sky, and then people would write wishes for the future, good intent, or any kind of things that they're trying to let go of. My name's Ollie, this is Red Sun Horizons. I am an Eastern Physiotherapies practitioner from the south of England. So acupuncture, all through to the more esoteric, etc. So we are still following the Lunar Tao by Denming Dao. So 1 page a day, although for this one there's actually 2 pages. So the title for today's one is Preparation. It's actually got a few different themes that run through. So I'm just going to read some bits from here, and then I've just chosen one excerpt from the Tao Te Ching itself. Okay, so today is technically a fasting day, or can be. So the important thing to obviously is there's nothing that the Taoists do is ever set in stone. It's not in that sense of you must do this. It's always just guidance, and it's always just trying to live in accordance with nature and the seasons. So hence, okay, right. So preparation in the sense of this is preparation for the Lantern Festival itself, and then tomorrow obviously. Okay, right. So. Winter is death that brings rebirth. Winter is death that brings each spring. Just as the night stars and full moon bring the next day. So it's about letting go of the old to start the new. It's all about the seasons and everything else. So obviously spring is the start of the whole cycle again. But it's kind of honouring winter as well as being an equal part of the, most people don't like winter, but obviously it is the absolute necessary thing for soil to regenerate and biome, etc., and for that kind of evolution of species. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight through to this. So it is then that we must remember the deeper meaning of this moment. Without the prelude of grim times, we can't have the celebration of happier ones. Okay, jump straight through to the Lantern Festival itself. Okay, so Shangyuan Jie, or Yuan Xiao Jie. So these are the titles. This ends the 15-day period of the Spring Festival. So the actual Lantern Festival will be tomorrow. Traditionally, children went to the temples on this night carrying paper lanterns. Nowadays, cities in China and abroad hold elaborate festivals. Okay, many lanterns have riddles on them, with solutions being wishes for good luck, family reunion, abundant harvests, prosperity and love. Okay, a little bit about the Jade Emperor. So there's actually 3 of these, but this is the main one. Don't really want to read all 3 for time purposes, but this is the best or the most pertinent one, I think. Okay, so the Jade Emperor and the Lantern Festival. So a heavenly crane once happened to alight on Earth, only to be killed by villagers. The Jade Emperor angrily ordered the village burnt on the 15th day of the first moon. The Jade Emperor's daughter took pity on the villagers and warned them. The people were frantic. No one could think how to escape the wrath of the Jade Emperor. Then an old man suggested that every family hang red lanterns around its house, light bonfires, and set off firecrackers, so the village would appear to be on fire. The celestial troops were deceived and reported that the village was already ablaze. Mollified, the Jade Emperor stopped all further attacks, and the tradition of the lanterns and fireworks that day was established. Okay, so that's a little bit of history of what the actual celebration is in its sense. Okay, so we'll just finish off with something from the Tao Te Ching itself. This is literally the second one, number 2. So there isn't anything really about celebrations that I've ever read in the Tao Te Ching, but nothing I could find last night as well. Sticking with the theme of working with the seasons, letting go of the old, embracing the new, is all through Taoism, and it's all through. There's even a move in one of the Dao Yin sets, which is literally called "Reject the Old, Embrace the New," which is a kind of a pulling in from the top and catharsis through the feet, grounding. Okay, so when people see some things as beautiful, other things become ugly. When people see some things as good, other things become bad. Being and non-being create each other. Difficult and easy support each other. Long and short define each other. High and low depend on each other. Before and after follow each other. Therefore the Master acts without doing anything and teaches without saying anything. Things arise and she lets them come. Things disappear and she lets them go. She has but doesn't possess, acts but doesn't expect. When her work is done, she forgets it, and that's why it lasts forever. Yep, okay, that is pretty much everything for today. I'm going to call it there, and I will see you tomorrow.